Hey, what's going on everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be doing a little 4K low-light video test with the new Sony ZV-1. I've been really curious to see just how well this camera performs when recording at night or any type of low-light situation. Got my daughter right here helping me out tonight. All right. So that's exactly what we're going to do tonight. Test this camera out, see how well it performs when recording at night, or like I said, any type of low light situation. So let's go ahead and get started. Boom, we are now on the Sony ZV-1 recording at 4K. So you can see now I got my S20 Ultra in hand, which is what I was using originally to record the first part of the video. So you can kind of compare the two if you want to do that as well. I've actually been thinking about doing a little video comparison in 4K between this device and the new Sony ZV-1. So comment down below if you guys want to see that. But yeah, here we go. We're recording at night. As you can see here, the sky is nice and dark. Got a couple of lights around me. My daughter wants to wave hi to the camera. Hi. Let me know what you guys think about overall quality so far. Also, let me know how well my voice is coming through the mic. I don't see anybody around right now, so go ahead and pull my mask down a little bit here. Let me know how well the mic is picking up my voice and blocking out the background sounds. I do got a little water fountain right here. Let me know what you guys think. There it is. All right. So also let me know what you guys think about stabilization. I do have the active mode turned on right now, so I think that's the highest setting for stabilization, so you don't really get any of that shakiness. And I am using a small handheld tripod as well. Let me go ahead and get this fountain in frame right here. See how well this comes out on camera. There we go. How does the water feel? Does it feel good? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Probably nice and cool. It is a bit humid out here. And we are at the gardens. There's literally like nobody here. I think we've seen like 2 people here so far. Let's go ahead and walk out to the street. See how well we can pick up the street here. Go ahead and pan around a little bit. And let's check out the zoom here. Now you can't really zoom in too far with this camera, but let's test it out anyways. There we go. Almost there, and that's as far as we can go right there with the zoom. Let me go ahead and zoom back out. Now I really want to check out stabilization at night, so I'm gonna get a little jogging going here. And go ahead and switch the camera back around. I do hear some people close by. All right, Emma, you ready to run with me? We're gonna check out stabilization on the camera. Let's go. A little bit of jogging. Yeah! Let me know what you guys think. If you see a lot of shakiness going on, looks pretty good here in the viewfinder.
This is fun.
I'll go ahead and turn the camera around this way. Let's go faster. All right, there we go. So let me know what you guys think about stabilization. Let's check out this fountain right here. It's pretty dark right here. There's not a whole lot of light going on here.
It feels a little warm.
The water feels warm. There we go. All right, so we are now in more of a darker area, as you can see here. Still got a little bit of light going on, but not too much, just a few little lights back there. But for the most part, it is a lot darker from where we were before. And looking at the viewfinder here, it's actually doing a pretty good job at keeping my face exposed, really brightening up the picture. I don't know, you guys let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. My daughter wants to say hi. I'll say what's up. What do you think? Do you think it looks good so far? So I'm going to do a little bit of walking here now. One thing I do notice is that whenever you record at night, the stabilization is never going to be as good as it is when you're recording in more of a lit up area or recording during the day. And I noticed that watching back at the last clip when I was running, it was a bit shakier than what it would have been if I were recording during the day. So just keep that in mind. I also notice that a lot when I do my smartphone test, because I do a lot of camera tests at night with smartphones, testing out the 4K video, and I noticed the exact same thing, that stabilization isn't always the best when recording at night or testing out that stabilization at night. So you guys let me know what you think down in the comments sections below. Let me go ahead and capture these palm trees right here, show you guys this beautiful view that we're getting so far. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. All right, so I am back home, as you can see here, in definitely more of a darker setting than where we were when we were outside. The only lights I have on right now are the LED lights in back of my TV. Everything else in this room is off. Those are literally the only lights I have to kind of brighten up my face here. So it is definitely a lot darker than where we were earlier. And I kind of just wanted to do this sit down setting because I noticed when I was walking around, going back and looking at the footage, I noticed when I was walking around doing a lot of moving around, there was just a lot of shakiness going on. And I did mention this earlier in the video. Video stabilization is always worse at night than it is during the day. So I think that's where the camera kind of struggled a little bit when I would just kind of move around a lot and then go into the light and then into the shadows, into the light. It was just kind of messing with the picture a little. So I kind of just wanted to see what this type of setting would look like. Just me sitting here talking to the camera, if it will pick up more detail on my face, maybe in my clothes, just the overall picture. You guys let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. And maybe if I show a product, like say I want to show you guys this PlayStation controller, let's see how well it picks it up, if it gets a lot of the detail. Make sure there's no graininess going on there. You guys let me know what you think. There we go. And actually, I don't even have the product showcase mode on right now. I basically just put it up in front of my face and it focuses on the object that you see there. So as far as seeing it here on the viewfinder, it doesn't look too bad. But you guys let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. But there you have it. Just a quick little 4K low light video test with the new Sony ZV-1 to see how well it performs at night and then like a low light setting like this if you happen to be inside. You guys let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. How do you think the camera performed? Honestly, I think it performed okay. Yeah, it had its moments where it kind of struggled a little bit, but if you're looking for a good vlogging camera, maybe you're someone who doesn't like to run around too crazy like how I was earlier, I think it's gonna perform okay for you if you happen to do your vlogging at night. And if you're gonna do more of a sit down video like this, I think it's going to perform just fine. But you guys let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to leave a huge thumbs up on this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. And if you find yourself interested in this camera, I'll make sure to leave a link down in the description below. But like I said, let me know what you think down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.